leaky. Hello, I tell you, seen all your straight ears with MC Shaggy. My name, straight on the dot. Wazobia TV. Now you dey watch. Not touch the that. Make I ask one question. Yeah. Make I ask now one question. The question is say yes, if they give you 2 million, if you run naked for street, 2 million, may you run naked for street. You see how? You feel naked for street. Hello. If you naked, go the enter street. Who know the people, the idea, and their opinion what they will give. Let's go there. Oh shit! If they give you 2 million, you feel naked from here to shoot.
I can't.
You can't.
Yeah.
You go do am.
I can't.
You don't feel do am.
Yeah, yes.
Why? You don't need 2 million. You don't need that.
I'm from royal family. I can never naked myself.
Today like they give like 2 million.
Yeah.
You feel naked waka for street.
No dey possible now.
No feel naked from here to my 2 just for 2 million.
No dey possible. 2 million.
Why then? Like how much they'll give you when you grade one?
I no dey insane, so I no fit waka with that kind of thing.
So even though
no,
just simple naked wear your clothes, but nobody there in Shaggi area. I don't like that.
No.
Not like that. Their father.
Nakedness.
Very naked.
I know.
Why?
Because I can't, because of money, spoil my life.
That money go have to buy like 2 packets.
No. Anything will be my own. God will
provide you. That is sure.
Very sure.
Now what you go do? If they give like 2 million now.
My brother, when I was first down,
if they give 2 million, all the rush. If they give 2 million now, so make you naked for 2 million.
my brother, even though you give me 1 million naira, I go drown.
If you can give 1 million, say
I go drown. I go drown.
The guy blood the hot.
I tell you, 1 million say go.
1 million say.
I go drown.
As I see fit one for 500.
Don't give me the 1 million first. Give me the 1 million first.
Oh my!
Too much.
Still on the matter, he said they give am even 1 million say go do am. There, everybody will look for money. I dey tell you, still on the street yards, Wazobia TV. Not. I dey call. Let's go.
Why naked? Because of 3 million.
Just.
I'm not feel naked now because of 3 million.
You don't think you can of 3 million?
I go naked. My nakedness is more than 3 million.
So many people get free opinion. You say nakedness is more than what? 2 million. Is nakedness more than what? 2 million. If I hear her, let's go. Yeah. Oh, sure. Give 2 million today now. You feel naked from here to Australia?
No, I don't feel naked.
You don't feel naked. You don't feel naked.
I'm telling you that
You don't go do am.
my personality matters a lot.
You don't go do am. Oh, shit, let's go. Hey, Banjo, let's go there. Ross Alpha. Confirm guy. It's too much. I'm just saying your eye is shoot. Your eye is bare.
I'm looking for money. I'm looking for money. I'm looking for money.
You're looking for money.
Money.
So they look for money.
What you know?
As they drop 2 million. Make it naked from here. Go reach my tree. Go do am.
Papa, wetin you go do? I no fit do that kind of thing, no. But I know say my God go do am well. Maybe say I will live for one thing. And you look for money, no be that way. You understand? And anyhow now, so wetin God no fit do? God fit do anything. Shey you understand? God fit do anything. Na God dey do am. Na God dey do am. Shey you understand?
Bros, go give me this answer. Bros, come. Alpha. As you dey now, I know say your eye dey shoot.
Yes.
Your eye dey shoot.
Well.
No let her shoot pass. So we shoot pass. See wetin dey there? If they give you 2 million now, If you naked from here to my 2, or can stay here yourself.
No, I don't go fit down.
Why you no fit down?
Because I get focus.
You get focus.
I feel waiting.
Naked go reach Costa.
Wallahi. Hi. Man, think I'm well low. That money.
Well.
Yeah. From here to Costain.
Yes, now.
Well, I go do it.
You go down.
No, 5. No, 5. No, kind of thing. I go to the thing and say 5 now. No, I go like I go do it.
You go down. Oh my eye dey shoot. They give like 2 million. You feel naked from here to Costa.
I will not do it.
You don't do it. Oh shit, feel it. Mama lo. Make you pull yourself, pull all your wowo. Make you waka go reach Costa. You go great.
I go go. Na money.
Allah.
Owó lè yàn wá, owó láyé wá. I go go.
You go agree?
I swear.
You go do am. People know that want me sef.
I go do am if you no believe me person na.
Shop knock.
Yes.
If your camera. Oh shit. You don't know the camera. Where they go? Some people dey fear camera there. Alright, madam. So Ali, no, madam, cool down now. Just one question. See, man, as you do like this, tí wọ́n bá fún yín ní 2 million, you walk out from here go reach costume with nakedness.
Nakedness, I know.
Why? 2 million.
Because of money, no.
Oh, le shit.
No, I can't.
Now you are the fine sis. Make I ask you one question. No, ask you one. You don't think when I define you, but don't find you go notice. Wait, now, madam, may I ask you one question? See, if they give you 2 million, as you do like this, 2 million, one full of you go Danny, they party Danny too. You go hold on for ground. They say this 2 million. Go naked, go reach, go straight, go feed one.
Lie, I don't feed one.
Why no feed one?
Lie, I don't feed one.
Lie, they lie.
Ma, they naked.
You go do
because of 2 million.
You go do.
Oh yeah.
It's just a bomb. They give you 2 million. If you naked from here, go reach Coste.
They give me 2 million.
2 million cash on your hand like this. If you naked.
I'm not going to feel naked.
Why don't you do that?
I'm a married woman.
Okay, be married woman. What if you never married?
No go fit do am.
If they give you 2 million now, if you naked from here to Coste.
No.
Are you with money now?
What are they with the money now?
No.
So if I give the money now, I go do another.
Let me see money before I can tell you what I want to do. Let me see the money now.
Okay, from where?
Huh?
Where are you from?
From Lagos now.
Oh no, which tribe?
Ekiti. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
So if you see the money, you go do am. No, from what you dey talk.
Let me see first before I can tell you. Let me see the money.
You must see the cocoa.
So I will let me see the cocoa. Yeah. Let me see the cocoa.
He say he wan see the cocoa. Say this guy not go put me for wahala. Say he wan see the cocoa. No be here go take see cocoa.
Let me see the cocoa.
Go Aso Rock, go look for cocoa. The way they talk, you be like say you want popular.
I'm a popular man.
You are a popular man.
Yes, of course.
For which village you dey popular?
I'm from Ondo State. I'm an Ilaje man.
Ilaje man.
Number one.
Ilaje
Yes,
Seodo.
of course. Let's say Odo.
Allah.
For that one.
Ẹjẹ ìyá wọn ti rà kẹ.
Omi yan wáyé mi. Ọmọ yẹ mi.
What time? Wait, you see what you did there?
Yes.
If they give you 2 million.
Yes, of
if
course.
If you naked from here go reach Ilaje town.
I will naked from here to Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt.
I'm telling you the
Not 2
reality.
million.
Yes, of course.
If na 1 million.
Listen to me. We are talking about money.
Money.
Yes, of course.
Hey, Ọlọ́run.
Ọlọ́run.
Wá ṣe.
Ma ṣe.
Wá ṣe.
Ma ṣe. Ma tó ṣe.
Still on the Wazobia TV, they hear oh yeah, say, but don't say.
Yes, of course.
All right, if you did not understand that language, now Ilaje language be that. Yes. Let me they speak. I don't know how to understand, but I'll tell her later. Still on Wazobia TV, don't touch the die. Now straight years with MC Shaggy, make it not go there. Not touch that. If you touch that, if I tell you, so many people get different idea, different opinion. They say yes because everybody with their own different orientation in life. And they tell you, this one on Wazobia TV, make it not touch the die. This one are street yarns if they give you 2 million. Whether I feel naked from here to any direction, Costain, Maitu, Oshodi, Ojuelegba, anywhere, even though from here to where, Kafasham, whether I go feed one. Still on Wazobia yarns. Make it not forget the street yarns, not touch the die. No mind me, I don't forget. Street yarns, not touch the die.